Central Oklahoma, Northeastern Logan County in Central Oklahoma, Southwestern Payne County in Central Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Kingfisher County in Central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in Central Oklahoma, Southern Logan County in Central Oklahoma, Northeastern Canadian County in Central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Kingfisher to near Okarche to 3 miles north of Calumet, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Edmond, Midwest City, Del City, Reno, Guthrie, Kingfisher, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Warr, The Village, Piedmont, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Jones, Okarche, Cashion, Calumet, and Cedar Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.